Black pepper isn't just a spice, it's a nutrient amplifier. And most people have no idea. That tiny pinch on your food, it can dramatically change how your body absorbs nutrients. Black pepper is richest in piperine, a powerful bioactive compound that boosts nutrient absorption at the cellular level. Piperine helps your body absorb antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, especially plant nutrients like carotenoids. That means better absorption of lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene, key compounds that protect your eyes, macula, and retina. Black pepper also contains antioxidants and trace minerals like manganese, iron, and copper, small amounts, but powerful support. Add black pepper to veggies, lentils, eggs, or greens. It doesn't just add flavor, it upgrades your nutrition. Stop thinking of black pepper as seasoning. It's a bioavailability tool. Save this and start using it smart. Thanks for watching.